Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your likes and your comments. In today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to find Pinterest influencers and also a couple of updates here. So first of all, when you sign up to your Pinterest account, don't forget that we have so many things today on Pinterest to play and become successful. Be patient as well, because no matter what. So you can go on Pinterest trends, as you can see here, and they're actually changed a lot. So you can have a look through a bit. Then first of all, don't forget that I have a 4-day free course, and I will put the link below so you can sign up. So this is what is trending when you sign up on Pinterest trends, but also you can check on the audience and what you love or what are the interests. It's really the Pinterest trends has been updated, and you are able to get a lot of data from when you grow your Pinterest account. It's very important for you to know how to use it. So then, since you click on the audience, it's gonna open, and you have on how to make money on Pinterest. You have a couple of ideas here. Make sure you sign up, log out, and you have the pins, the shoppable, a couple of ideas how to go to the creator rewards program that is actually for influencers, and you can get paid for create things on Pinterest. This is something new, and we'll talk about that in a different video. So going through all this, how to make money on Pinterest, you can go and follow the Pinterest creator account. So when you click here, we're gonna go to Pinterest creators. So all of those are influencers, and as you can see here, the business Pinterest creators, you can have a look through all the different styles from as you can see, Black history, women's. There's so many influencers and so many ideas that you can take. Is new, so make sure you follow this account. It's gonna give you a couple of ideas on how to be more creative, increase your views if you want, if you're going after views. Remember what we talk about, and creators like you like, and then you have also the business Pinterest creators. We can click on that if you want, have a look through. So this is actually a way for Pinterest to help us find the influencers easier and get more creative, because Pinterest, is all about creativity. And don't forget that no matter what, you need to have a strategy, because yes, we're pinning the pins and we create the stuff, but the most important is to make sure that we add in videos to give your account a bit of a boost. This is it, and that is one way of finding the influencers. It's on the free course. I do have a couple of other ideas if you want to sign up for it, and it's free. It's not going to cost you anything. And then here you have, it's a bit slow, we can have a look through the business Pinterest creators. Also, it's giving us more ideas on how to do things on Pinterest. It's very creative, but it will give you a bit of a management, content, marketing strategies plan, so you can have ready content to put out there, so you don't have to think, because creating good content for the next 6 months and with the new year is gonna help you grow your traffic, earn more money from ads if you have ads, and more money selling your products. And this is something, guys, that you really, really need to put down into your plan. So not just, I would do that and I would do that. So just have creating content is really, really important for you to increase your traffic and get what you want. So you really need to have a strategy, because if you don't have a strategy, you don't know where you are and where you want to go. So this is if you can see here, they're giving you a couple of video pins, idea pins, and again the influencers. So make sure follow the accounts and then follow the influencer Pinterest creators account. So make sure, I will follow that. Make sure you have that in your plan, your strategy, and then you get a couple of tools to increase your account, because you get a lot of ideas for your pins. I will talk about in the next video, and I will let you know also the things that I'm planning to do, the changes. So thank you very much for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and make sure you are following the influencers, because you get more ideas and you might need them, and also you can collaborate as well. Don't forget that. So I wish you well.